Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. Welcome back to another video. So you guys, this is going to be a nighttime routine. It's nighttime. It is 9:03. I don't typically clean at night, but it is a Tuesday and we are usually out pretty late. We're later tonight than normal. I had to make a quick stop. But I've got some stuff that I have to do in my living room. So I'm going to just go ahead and do an overall quick clean. 20 minutes at the most, 30 minutes at the most. We haven't eaten dinner, so we do have to do that. So we're going to put some stuff on while I'm working in the living room. The kids will also be working as well. But I'm going to take you into the living room and show you what came today. There you go. Hello, mother. Hello, mother. That's nasty. Okay, moving on. Gracie is much better. Hello, mama. Mama. Get off that couch in Jesus' name. So a friend of mine who actually gave us this couch and this love seat and couch set, the video I deleted by accident, they actually ended up having this chair in their home as well. And she posted in the church group, did anybody want to have it? So in order to keep, my set the same, I told her we would absolutely take it. Now, I don't know. This looks like it was more used than this one, right? This was in like their formal living room. They didn't use that quite a lot. But they have used this one. So right now with it in the living room, it is a little bit crowded, but we're taking the crate out. The kennel's going. And then I'm going to put it over there kind of catty cornered a little so that you can see the TV if you're sitting over there. Because I want to be able to sit out in my living room a little bit more. Now, things that bother me that don't bother anybody else. The remote controls are out. There's something for Goodwill over here and some stuff on that desk over there that shouldn't be there. Dog toys in the floor. And I need to vacuum. So I'm going to spend a few minutes in water bottle. So I'm going to spend a few minutes in this living room just getting this together. Definitely moving that kennel and replacing this chair. Okay, we have some pillows back here. These are magic pillows, or what are they called? Magic pillows? Some kind of pillow. A friend of ours gave us those. I think they're called, it's called My Pillow. Not sponsored, but a friend of mine gave us 3 My Pillows, and I haven't put them anywhere or gotten them up yet. So I'm going to do that. So I'm going to go grab a pair of socks. I'm keeping the clothes I have on, and we are going to start cleaning. In the meantime, we're putting potatoes in the Instant Pot so that we can have some meals. We do still have some make-ahead meals, but we have to get some something to go. We have meat. We don't have like a side. So we're going to do some potatoes. We may even do some eggs. A friend of mine who got us the My Pillows actually went to Aldi, and they had eggs for 36 cents a dozen. My Aldi is $1 plus a dozen. So she was like, do you want me to get you some eggs? I said, sure. So she got 6 dozens of eggs. And so we're going to have to cook some of those. Of course, we'll probably cook some and put some in Ma'am's meals so she can have a little more protein as well. But the kids are working in the kitchen. I'm going to go put you guys on a tripod, grab some socks, and get busy. Alrighty, you guys, so there it is. So we got the chair put there. We moved the crate. It fits perfectly. We can still walk in through here. Alana's like, Mommy, I gotta have any space. Because it's catty cornered, there is space. We could actually probably turn it straight as well, and there would still be space. There's space for me to sit at my desk with no problem. We have just, I removed the tags from those pillows. We straightened up there just a little and vacuumed the whole floor. So in the kitchen, we just put the table runner out. I was gonna put some curtains up, but I don't have the right curtains that I need. We did a little bit of cleaning off countertops. We did not do the dishes yet. And then we just moved the crate back in here, which is totally fine. It does cramp my style a little bit, but until she doesn't tear up stuff, it has to stay there. I didn't do anything on the desk, but I did make the bed, and it's 10 o'clock p.m. We did vacuum the floor and all of those types of things. So I was watching Kimmy from Hello, my lovely girl. Hello, mother. Oh, my goodness. Really? Mama, move. I was watching Kimmy from She's in Her Apron, and she was talking about progress over perfection. That's hard for a perfectionist, which is what I am. But I'd rather just do a little bit so that I could sleep easy. And then when I have more time, I can do the deeper things. I do need to do my desk. Jackson, would you empty all the trash cans? Trash cans will go out. It's hot in here. And I've yet to, I still have to do some First Love Ministry stuff for the ladies that I haven't gotten done because I just haven't been home. Again, normally we're home before now, but I had to make a stop and pick up something from my friend, and Bible study ran over a little bit. So, you know, there it is. It's realistic for a single mom with kids. They help, but they are slow. Oh, my word. So it did take us about an hour, but the majority of that time, we zip tied the crate together so that because she can get out of that crate. That's a steel metal crate, but she can escape artist. She friends with Jesus. They know how to escape places. So we had to zip tie the crate, and I had to take off the zip ties, and that was a chore. So that took up the most time. Other than that, nothing really took a lot of time. But anywho, you guys, I'm going to call it a vlog here, and we'll see you guys on the next vlog. If you like the video, thumb it up. Don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you next time. Bye now.